Hey, yo, what is good, you guys? I hope everybody's having a good day. Today is currently, I don't even know what day it is, but it's 9:59 right now, and at 10 o'clock, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Lows release. Honestly, I woke up like 5 minutes ago, and I just saw the notification, so I'm kind of panicking right now. Basically, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to join the draw, and then I'm going to talk about the sneakers with you guys, and then at the end of the video, we're going to see if I can actually cop. So without further ado, make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Let's get into this live cop video. So, as you guys can see right here, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s just dropped on the sneakers app. Basically, the draw is for 30 minutes. That was a freaking long draw, but we're gonna enter the draw right now. Honestly, man, I don't know, man. With draws, I don't know how it usually goes, but what I'm gonna do is, do we go for your own size or do you go for a different size and try to sell? Let's go for a size 10.5. You know what? We're gonna go for a size 10 this time. Add shipping. Shipping will be... I have to re-add my shipping address. 1 second. God damn it. Why do they do this to me? The good thing about this sneakers drop is that you have 30 minutes to, you know, go through anything. Luckily for me. But yeah, let me just fill that in and then we'll get back to the video. Alright, so basically we have all our information in. We're gonna go for a size 10 Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 low. Alright, so we officially entered the draw right here. This is gonna be a super long draw. It's actually 26 minutes. So basically when the counter gets down a little, I'm gonna come back with you guys and we're gonna talk about the sneaker, the colorway, the release that happened yesterday. We're gonna talk about all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go make a coffee and I'll be right back. It's officially 10:26 right now. I'm finally back. Honestly, I just gotta let you guys know that is the longest draw that I've ever experienced on a sneakers raffle. And guy, I don't think they should have made it 30 minutes right off the bat because, yo, it leaves more time for more people with bots and more people with, you know, fake accounts and all that shit. So, moving on, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. Now, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, we all know what happened with the high release. It was basically a mess. It was a shit show. Those who copped, congratulations, you guys made... You guys probably made one of the luckiest cops of your entire life. But yeah, yesterday we actually had the release of the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows on the Travis Scott website. That was like a surprise release, and you know your boy copped the pair there. I'm so happy that I actually managed to cop my pair over there, because this time I know on sneaker draws I've never had any luck, and this time probably not going to be any different. As you guys can see, we have 2 minutes left in the draw. Basically, let me just go ahead and run down the colorway for you guys. Basically, we have a Jordan 1 low silhouette, and I know a lot of people have been off the Jordan 1 low silhouette, but the thing is that when this sneaker was coming out, I think everyone started jumping back on the Jordan 1 lows, and I'm not going to lie, myself, the same thing. Like, now all of a sudden I want the Royals, the Shadows, the Breads, I want all of the lows, and I definitely think this shoe was like the catalyst that made, you know, the lows come back. The overall colorway, it's not that different than the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. I really like the colorway. I dig the colorway, and I think that it can go with a lot of different fits and a lot of different outfits, and that's why it's so versatile and so many people want it. I love every single thing about this sneaker, from, you know, like the Nike Air tongue tab that's like white that stands out on the black tongue. I also love, obviously, the inverted swoosh. I heard the materials on this sneaker are amazing. The laces are waxed. I really love that too. The one thing that if I could change anything about this sneaker, it would honestly just be the back tab. If you guys look at it, the Air Jordan 1 logo is so big on one of the tabs, and the smiley face or whatever it is, the Travis Scott logo, is so small on the other foot. I would just try to change that, but overall I think it's a super dope colorway. It's gonna be super crazy. You put a wrapper and you put a sneaker, a Jordan 1 together, and it's always gonna be a hit. Right here we got 22 seconds left in the draw. I really don't know what's gonna happen. Honestly, I feel like an L is coming, but you know, we gotta stay positive, we gotta try. So here we go, the timer just stopped right now. I don't know when it's gonna tell us if we got it or if we didn't. One thing that you know is that when you actually hit on these raffles, what happens is that you're gonna get an email from PayPal right away. So I'm just banking on hearing that sound, and if I hear that sound, I'm gonna be so happy, dude. This is the worst part about every single draw. You just have to wait, and you have to, you know, live in the anxiety. In this anxiety, we had to live for 30 minutes. That's why it's even worse. Ah, please. I don't know, man. I don't know, I want to have so much faith, but yo, it doesn't look good right now. Just going back to the Travis Scott drop, it wasn't as hectic as it usually is on a Travis Scott website. Yeah, there was a queue. Yeah, it was crazy. Oh shit. Soul Links just tweeted, people are starting to cop now, and please be our turn to cop. Yo, people are copping now. Yo, people are cooking on Twitter, man. People are getting pairs on Twitter. Please, something happens. What was it? Man, that was my WhatsApp messages. God damn it, that scared me. Let's go. Let's get W. What the hell is happening? your entry was not selected for the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. We took an L, boys. But it's okay, we took a W on the Travis Scott website, so I can't 100% complain. You know, these live cop videos are always so hit or miss. You either get it or you don't. But one thing that I always tell everyone is that if you don't try, you're not actually gonna get it at all. So you might as well take that 0% 001 chance or whatever the hell it is and just try. So it is what it is. We took an L in this video, boys, but if you guys caught a W, if you guys caught an L, make sure you guys drop it in the comments below. What do you guys think of the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1's lows? I definitely think that they're fire, and I think that it's a super dope sneaker, but again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You guys are absolutely killing the subscribe button, killing the like button, and thank you guys so much. I honestly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 1, 2, later.